boys. Whoa. Market's already moving. Hold on, market. Hold on. Let me mark out some shit. Let me mark out some shit. The only problem is, like, there's no volume here. With this fair value gap, is fucking nothing. If the market hit that pre-market open, and then I can get this long, like if I could go through that, hit this, that'd be such a good fucking day. I'd be very happy. I honestly think the market's gonna trend sideways, but I really like this move right here. Especially if we can test this level right now in the next minute or two, I'd feel really good. But I think what's gonna happen is, like, market open, this is gonna happen and it's gonna explode. And I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that happening. So let's hope for the best. I'm more on the bullish side of things. I want to go long on this session, but I have a very sneaking feeling that this is going to be a sideways day. But you know, just hope for the best. All right, let's go on the 1 minute. You see, we're right there. Like, let's test that fair value gap. Let's see. What does this look like on the tools? I wanted to make sure one of my charts is on NQ, so I wanted to make sure this one was on MNQ. Looks like it's not, and I just get murked. There's a lot of selling pressure right here. What level is this? 301, 149. Literally, this level that I marked is a lot of buying aggression, which is so funny. But so it doesn't matter. I was gonna mark this level as the buyer's aggression, but it doesn't matter because it's already there. Let's just delete this. I don't want this anymore. Let's see what happens here. So this is what I wanted to see. What I don't want is... Okay, that's perfect. I didn't want this to happen. You know what I mean? I want that. I want the test of that level. I want the buyers to get fucking demolished on this line. Because this line don't mean shit. You know what I mean? Like, the fair value gap is kind of already tested. Let's see. Yeah, it's already been displaced. So I feel pretty good about this. Nah, because watch this. They're going to get absorbed right here, and they're just going to shoot up. I fucking know it. They're just going to shoot up now. It's going to... This shit right here, all these sellers absorbed. Then it's going to go displace higher. Come on. Don't do me like that. Come on, NASDAQ. Just do what I say so I can fucking go on my day. I have this very wide too. Like, this is a very wide. I at least wanted to test this. That's an entry signal. This is absorption right here. I'm very much not a fan of that though. This is an absorption candle. Like, the sellers got absorbed here, but there's so many sellers. Oh wow, what the fuck did I do? Whoa, hold on now. Hold on now. There's a lot of sellers resting right here, which I don't want to fuck with. Like, ideally, I see really good absorption here and I can go, but Once this gets taken, I think it's gone for the day. Come on, absorb this guy. Absorb him. There's sellers right here too. Oh, don't give me a failed auction, bro. Just sell lower. Oh, that's really bad. That's so bad. I literally don't want to see that. There's a lot of sellers here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 selling bubbles. I botched it. There's 7 bubbles here of sellers, which for me means that there's one passive buyer who's being very aggressive. But the problem with that is, like, how aggressive are you gonna be? You know, if all the people that are in right now are actively selling. There's a large buyer in there, that's for sure, but there is a lot of sellers actively in the market. 100 contracts on that candle and it got absorbed. Oh my god, bro, this is fucking stressful. Nasdaq, this is my level type shit. Like, there's a failed auction here. If they don't trade this lower, I have to take this. I'm okay with that. Now the volume is skewed because there's fucking 100 contracts just resting on that one candle. Dude, 100 contracts on NQ is a lot. Like, that's a lot of contracts to put on one candle. But it could have been that he was getting out of the position. Like, he was like, I'm done. Which I don't think it is. I actually do think that he's trying to push the market down. But you can't tell that shit, so. I'll tell you right now, whoever wins this battle, they're going to take the day. Like, I fully believe now that if the sellers win here, they're going to shoot down past these lows. So, oh my god. Like, it'll be from here down to those lows. Ooh. Fail that. There is a buyer right here that is a big dog for sure. If this doesn't close. Okay, that's perfect. That's what I wanted to see. There you go. Look, I told you. Fucking shoot down. I was about to say there was one guy holding this shit up like a demon. This is what I wanted to see though. This is where we wanted to be at. This is my ideal right here. So now if I see some absorption, I'll take it. But now, like I told you guys, I mean, look at these candles. Fucking fat. I don't mind taking that long. Now, where can I stop this at? They got swept, but still. Nah, he's getting swept anyway. Doesn't fucking matter. $375. $337, $375. 375 and 337. Oh, no, that's not what I want. I said whoever won this battle was going to shoot down, though. Like, I did, and I said they were going to take these lows. I mean, that was fucking guaranteed. For me to hop on, again, this is a risky. This was counter my bias. This is risky. I would have gone a safe 1-to-1 for sure. There was a lot of resting sellers here. Like, I very much could just hold that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a risky play. Just because I saw something on the order flow that day doesn't mean like, oh yeah, this is what I gotta do. Ooh, I like this. This is a nice play. This is a nice play. We can get a little absorption action. The problem now is like this is a short day. I do think once these lows get taken that this is gonna reverse a little bit. But ideally I should just look for the continuation. Like I should just look now for this move back down. But let's see, there was a lot of buyers here. I just want to see how they hold up right here. But if not, I'm willing to take this like that. I'd much rather see the retracement though to this level than come down. I might take this move up though, this like, depending on what I see from the candles. Yeah, I ain't seeing shit, to be honest. There's actually nothing to see. There's buyers on this candle. You can see it's a wick candle also. I'm like moving around my mic like some espionage shit. We see, where is my MFI right now? I hate when TradingView will fucking do that. Like, give me my shit back. And they're like, oh no, your stuff was always here. MFI is on the dog shit counter right now. This just looks horrendous. How much is this? Oh my god, why is that mad for $80? That's a lot to lose. I'm not gonna cap. I am not gonna cap. Oh my god, how many contracts was that? 16? Holy fuck. Alright. Nah. I'm already like, nah. I'm already like off it. I'm already like, give me the retracement so I can go short today. What does this look like now? I know what you look like. Give me the fuck. I do think it's gonna hit that level. Whoa, not what I meant. All of a sudden this is like a B setup. Either way though, I didn't have a setup for that, so. If the sellers take this is, if they take this level, that's it. It's down all day. We'll fucking reach these lows. If the sellers fucking take that, I would actually be flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. I don't even want to see like. I don't even want to see the buyers come back, to be honest. Like, if they didn't, I can get this move. That's great because it's still on the curve. And that's my bias for the day, but. Oh my god. I can't even see how many contracts that was. That's a lot of contracts. Whatever it was a lot. Yeah, they're dumping. They're dumping. They're dumping. There's so many contracts on that one candle that they won't let me see because this platform is dog shit. I hate Syria charts with a passion. Like, if they could make the worst platform possible, they did. 95 passive on the buying side. Wow, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a lot of people coming into this position. Like, this candle right here, I haven't seen this much volume on a candle in forever. Nah, let's see what goes on. This is the value area low. Give me a little retracement action type shit. A little retracement. Just to this POC. I'll be happy. What is this one? Which candle is this? 39. I don't know what you want. I love this song. I'm more inclined to take that position for 60, 70 on an L. Bro, I don't even give a fuck about that. My love. Yeah, they want to go lower. This is I want to go lower move. There's a good chance they just test this. There's a good chance they test this level in that event. Reason why we lose. Yeah. Oh, no. Look at this, and now we dump. Woo! If there's a reason why we lose. At this point now, it's just catching this move. Like, how do we come in to this level? I'm not a fan of taking this reversal. Momentum's been fucking short all day. It's not even like 15 minutes, but still. Momentum's been short. So we're going for these lows, Papa. I told you. Love if you feel like I do right now. We're on the run to the other side, my love. How many fair value gaps do we have here? It's probably all fair value gaps. Yeah, look at that. 1. And why we lose. 2. But honestly, like for me, that's a good sign that we might come back just to test all of these. Because all of this is low volume. I mean, Jesus fucking Christ. Look at that. That's all low volume nodes. I'm willing to take this long. You say you wanna try, but you never do. I need this candle to close though. Why you lose? Wanna try, but you'll never do. But there's a reason why. He's like, now this goes from 36 to me losing 100, which I'm not a fan of. I am not a. Damn, there is hella selling pressure there. Lord. I'm gonna sell one here. So what is this? I'm willing to take this squeeze down. And then actually target these lows. There's so much selling pressure on the bottom. Yeah, okay. The only thing is that now this is so overextended that like it makes me sick. There should be a squeeze here. If I'm right. Yeah, we went lower. We accepted lower as well. I'm actually very okay with that. Like I said, I think the momentum is short, so I'm willing to go for this move. What am I targeting? Those lows. What does that look like on the 30-minute? Yeah, it's a little closer. Let's move that. Is that a fat push? Ugh. There's really nothing here. Like, even volume-wise, there's what the fuck is here? Oh, it reversed. Interesting. This is interesting. I don't like that reversal. There's still selling pressure there. This is a D pattern. You see, like, I expect this to bounce here and then come back up on some type of retracement. Don't accept this. Hmm. If this kind of go low, I feel really good about this position. As of right now, this is yeah. Now I don't feel as good about the position. Because now we're back in the value area. I can assume they're gonna test those highs. I should have gone with my original that I want this to flip up. If we could take this low, I feel really good. But if not, no. Yeah, this should hit my stop loss. Buying pressure there. There's selling pressure there, and I think it's getting absorbed as well. This is interesting now. This is where I wanted this candle to be. Alright. If we could... Oh, watch this shit reverse now. That'd be sickening. I'm going to take this up into these... Because we're hitting this high volume node on the 10 minute. And MFI is still low as shit as well. The problem is, where would I keep my stop from here? Yeah. And if I lose that, I wouldn't even want to trade. What was that loss on this one? 210? I'm actually okay with that. It's not even bad. There's a lot of selling pressure there. Yeah, go higher than that. The buyers are having a hard time. I mean, they are fighting with these people. I think we're going to retest this red level that I marked out to begin with. And if we do, I feel pretty good. How much did I lose there? 100? Number 5, of course, is higher than a motherfucker now. This absorption would have been a great, like, this absorption right here would have been where I should have taken it from the PLC, from the other. Why is that not showing me when I do that? From that, from the point of control here. But that was just, I didn't like that play. I feel like because we're so out of balance now, they're going to try to just retest this level and then shoot back down, like I said. If they don't, I'm wrong. I'll leave the markets for the day. I'm okay with leaving for the day because this is all low volume here. Low volume, low volume, low volume. I raise my hands in the fire with no use. Stop me from shining through. It's true. This is like the OG, like, non-copyright sound. There was a huge absorption right here, which of course is not good for my position. There we go. There we go. I think this is. Of course, now the POC is here. Which when you're at the POC, like, there's a good chance that that's it. Like, it already hit. The level's gonna reverse back now. Which I hate. I don't want to see that. Which means my original thing was right. Don't want to wait. What's happening here? Oh, of course, there was a huge absorption again on this candle. What? 2 absorption candles is sickening. Yeah, I really don't like this. Another absorption candle? Are you fucking playing? 3 in a row? Nah, it's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I hope they take all this. That's 1, 2, 3 buyers fucking get absorbed. That's actually sickening. Come on, guys. You know that sellers disrespect you like that? 3 candles in a row? Like, that's crazy shit. Wow, you're gonna really respect the sellers like that. To be fair though, the sellers had the auction. I should have kept that with my selling bias. But that's crazy. Is this what I got here? There's a fair value gap there. Oh, that's not what I want to do. I should have sold it into like that. It's a lot of unclaimed low volume nodes here. Like, I want to see price revisit these. I didn't like all those absorptions though. I mean, if we can clear this, I expect price to shoot up into my take profit. But I very much feel negatively about this position. I needed to accept this high. Accept this high. Ooh. Like, we accept this high, bro. Right here. I expect the squeeze. But dude, buyers are getting absorbed. That's another absorption candles for the seller. Like, how many times can you guys get absorbed respectively? Wow, my god. You guys are actually dog water. Which sucks is like my exit right here would have been the perfect fucking. Wow. Oh my god, they are getting absorbed horrendously. There's a lot of selling pressure right there, but if I lose, I'm out today. I did not expect the buyers to get absorbed though. 3 candles in a row. I mean, that was absolutely atrocious. Like, and they move so fast that you really just can't take your position now. Now you just have to wait for this to consolidate and then see who wins. But obviously, if you rooting or like for the buyers and you want them to win, having 1, 2, 3 absorption candles in a row, you're like, all right, well, that's very bad. I do feel like the auction is flipping now. Wow, there's selling pressure on top of that candle, please. That is actually redonkulous. Oh, I can switch it real quick. Oh. If we accept this right here, God, I don't think there's 60. No, okay, it's 40. 40 contracts to sellers. 40 sellers right here. Dude, they don't want this at all. I need to accept though. That's not accepting. It needs to accept over this high. And then I feel great. Nope. Oh, 110 contracts for the sellers. Please absorb that. Of course not, because 110 fucking contracts on the sell. Are we crazy right now? That's a lot of sellers aggression though for them not to really get rewarded. Nah, let me get that. Let me get that. Bro, I even be mad respectable. I don't even want that much. Just absorb that. Oof. Damn. Of course. 110 fucking contracts on the sell. It's not what you want to see. Genuinely not. I genuinely want to see these people just get shot. Shot up. Damn, bro. It looks like a failed auction as well. They don't want that fucking high because they can't take it. Bro, absorb those. Absorb those 110 sellers. Oh! Right here. Come on. Oh my god, 555 on the sell? Are we stupid? Right here. Come on. Oh my god, accept higher than this. Candle closes in a few seconds. No, they didn't accept higher. It's a failed auction. Oh my god. Get me out of there. I genuinely don't want that position now. I'll take it over here, but I don't want that position again. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Like, get me the fuck out of there. Can we absorb? We absorb and I can go back into that position? Okay, I'll take that. Whatever. And then I want to cover myself right here where we had fucking lost. That way, it's not as bad. I can have the same risk reward, and I won't be shitting myself. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Give me that instead. So where are these guys now? Oop. Oh my god, they got absorbed again. There's just so much selling pressure everywhere here. It's genuinely not even funny. There's a... Shit. There's a fair value up there as well. I'm gonna see how this candle closes right now. Nah, I don't like that position anymore. I genuinely want to go short from this candle. Once I take that next L, I'll fucking hop off, but I'll take what is that? Yeah, I'll take 20. I'll go fuck with that. Cause this right here, the sellers still have the auction. Like the sellers have been winning every fucking battle. I genuinely, genuinely. Buyer's absorbing right now. How do we look here? How do we look on this? Where they're not gonna be able to fucking do anything here, to be honest. 143. Where is that? They're not gonna do shit here, so that's what I want to see, to be honest. 175, it's high. On the next absorption candle, I'm taking this short, because honestly, I don't like the way this looks at all. And I want to take that low. So can I go to 30 second? No, of course not. I don't have trading review premium. Very upsetting. I know I can go 30 second on my other chart. I just don't want to fucking. Yeah, fucking go on 30 second. It's like right here is where you get chopped the fuck up, you know? And that's the thing, is like, do you want to get chopped the fuck up? Or nah? There's a lot of selling aggression right here, so I'm willing to take that with, what's 145. Yeah, I'm gonna take that right there. What is that though? That's a large stop loss though. Like, that's a little scary. It's a tad bit scary. That's a little scary. A little scared. Tell you what though, we hit that stop, we're done with it. We're done for sure. There's not a fair value gap there though. Like, this already got tested and now it's reverting, so I like the sellers for this auction. They've been, oh, of course, that is as ugly as a fill as you could get ever. Like, if you wanted an uglier fill, you couldn't get it. That's not right. I'm not touching this position. Whatever happens here, happens here. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. In fact, I'm gonna go pee. How about that? What do you guys feel about that? I'm leaving. I don't even care what happens to price action. I don't even care what price action does. I just came back, guys. What did I miss? Nothing good, it seems. It seems I have not missed anything good. Huge absorption right here. I quite literally would let this chop into my TP. Like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Are these all open? Yeah. Yeah. It's like, guys, chill. Don't get absorbed by the fucking bitch ass buyers. They bitches. The buyers, bitches. There's no fair value gap either, like, to get tested like that. This original position, low key though. What did I answer? Did I answer up here? It's gonna been some profit. I just didn't like, bro. Like, the amount of sellers getting absorbed on this whole move is like amount of buyers getting absorbed the whole move. I was like, yeah, I'm good. Half it. Like right now, they claim this level. It's a straight fucking shot. There is buying aggression right here, and that is it. That is it. Like, are you crazy? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Are you dumb? Low key, bro. We'll claim these lows, like I said. Like I said, we'll get the lows. That'd be crazy. That'd actually be fucking astronomical. Astronomical lows. Let's see what this shit's doing. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is always doing the bullshit. ES is always doing the bullshit. Get ES the fuck off my shit. Get ES the fuck off my monitor. 400 contracts of sellers? I've never traded and seen 400 contracts on NQ in my life. In my life. It's only been like 3 months of me trading, but 400 contracts of sellers right now. Buddy, if you guys get absorbed, I'm gonna be fucking mad. Yeah, this is gonna shoot down. I actually think this is gonna shoot down. Because that is insane. That is a lot of contracts. 400 off the rip. And the thing is that if it was somebody exiting, this position would have shot up because there's a lot of buying pressure here. Like, they're trying to win the auction. They're not letting this shit, like, they're not on their backs. You know, they didn't just roll over and die. The buyers are trying. So I really do feel like this is an aggressive seller in the market right now. And it's right here. It's right on this level. Oh my god. Let that guy get absorbed. I will fucking lose it. That guy gets absorbed, I literally walk out of my house right now. You guys will never see me again. I will fucking go bananas. Oh my god. 400 contracts? For what? For what? Those putting in 400 contracts are just fucking hopes and dreams. Wow. Wow. That's that shit. That's that shit I'm talking about. Let him take that shit back from me. Nope. Not take it back. Not taking nothing back. Embarrassing.
Jack, what happened, bro? You go broke? Yeah, because I hate you for kicking me broke.
If this gets claimed right now, I'll fucking break even on those lows, on those highs. I'm literally not even looking now. I'm like on reels. I don't even want to look at this bullshit. I don't even want to look at this bullshit. Hey, what are you sellers doing right now? You guys eating shit? You guys fucking around right now? These buyers on your turf, you gonna let them fuck around like this? You gonna let them? Wow, my original stop loss though, delicious. Like my original stop loss right here of that. Come on. Come on. Yeah, give me a reason to reload this. If they fail here again, I'd be more than happy to take that. Especially because there's this fat ass seller right there. What am I doing? 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 Where's my root on stop loss? This is the original. Or does the sellers have some good? I'm gonna take that. Question is, where do I want to stop that? 54? 64? Yeah, because I'd rather lose this fucking 36 to make 86 than get reversed fully on that large ass position. There's a lot of buying pressure here though. Ooh. Three oh 5.15. I need that to get swept.
Shooting star, got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in a game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too far, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We on, hating because you want, shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy.
Whoa, that's not what I wanted to put. Damn it. There will never be a time where you don't see a crazy bullshit fill. I guess very much not what I wanted to see. 494 contracts? Come on, guys. What are we doing here? You trying to give me a heart attack? Like, please. Do not. Oh my god. What's even happening for price right now? I can't even see. Except lower. For my fucking heart, please. Oh. No, of course not. We don't want to accept lower. We want you to die. Bro, like, who's buying right now? Like, I'll dead ass show it to the house. I'll show it to your crib. That's how serious shit is getting right now. Why are we fucking playing 100 fucking spires right now? Get absorbed. OD, get absorbed. I hope you get absorbed right here. Let me see you. Let me see you guys get absorbed. Real quick. Real quick, let me see you guys get absorbed. Like real shit. Look. I forget that I'm on the 30-second on my other chart. So when I see shit, I'm like, oh yeah, this is good. Oh my god, no. Now you guys testing. Let this fucking move happen. What the fuck are we saying right now? Like, let me hit my TP so I can fucking go walk calmly right now. Like, I don't want to deal with this shit no more. You've already accepted lower, guys. Come on. Aggressive sellers, step in. What y'all doing right now? Stop being... Oh, man. I was about to say something controversial. Do you guys not want this low? If you don't want this low, just tell me type shit. What? What? Do they want to reload? Is that what it is? They want to reload type shit? Reload at that level and hit my damn TP. What is this shit on? What are you guys fucking doing right now? Can y'all dump? Like what? What? Oh, I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. It's exhausted sellers in general. Oh my lord, have mercy. Wait a second. Are you guys dumping on ES? Don't do that. Don't dump on ES for me now. $52 versus 90. Oh my god, accept lower please, so I could fucking sleep. This is stressing. Oh my god, my heart rate must be like a million right now. Genuinely. My phone will deadass tell me like, oh, why don't you go check on MQ right now? I'm like, yo, phone, can you let me know when ES is fucking dumping instead? Like shit. Bro, there's no sellers anywhere. Like sellers, where you guys at? Real shit. Real shit. You gonna tell me ES doesn't want to sweep that low? Bro, I told you guys we're gonna... Oh my god, I was zooming out. Holy shit, I said in the beginning of the video we're gonna take these lows. Fuck, I'm a bum. Whatever, bro, whatever. I need to relax for a bit. I need to relax. That was the most stressful. Bro, I literally said this. Like... I literally called that out. Like, the fact that I do that twice. Because yesterday did the same thing where I zoomed out and I didn't move my stop loss. It's whatever, dude. At least we're in profit. What? Oh my god, flying off. What the hell y'all doing? Stop all those trades. Trying to give me fucking heart attack. I'm done. I'm good. There was buyers that came into there. Alright, boys. We did it. Yo, good thing we got off these buys, right? Holy shit. Can you imagine that? I would have gotten chopped up. Chopped it. I know, too, like, it looks like right here when I take off this sell. When I took off that sell, it looks really bad. But the fact is, like, I need that capital. And I knew I could scale in better with this chop into the down area when I saw the 400 contracts. So for me, it just made more sense to do that. Oh my god, look at this. Honestly, it's not that bad. What's the difference in size? Brother. $50. It's solid. You know what I mean? Like, I knew I could re-enter, and then I could enter now in 2 contracts and feel safe over having 1 contract. I literally doubled the money that I made from that position from scaling back in. So that was, you know, the move I wanted to make, and I'm glad that it happened that way. There's a huge divergence on ES right now. But, alright guys, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go chill. Damn, look at this dump. All right, stay safe.